Beauty diet is a diet which containing all that ingredients, nutrients that helps to maintain our health socially, psychologically, physically and spiritually. Namaskar. Welcome back to Sumi Kaya Kalpam. Today I am going to share with you few tips regarding beauty diet. So a beauty diet is that diet which can help us to maintain the height and weight as per the WHO, also helps to maintain our vital statistics along with a beautiful skin and hair, with a very presentable mind or with a very sharp mind. So here some important points we have to look after, that is for a adolescent girl or boy, especially I am talking about the girls, we need 2060 kilocalorie and 60 gram of protein per day. But when we are talking about beauty diet, that calorie is modified into 15 kilocalorie and protein should be 60 gram. And the ingredients that we are adding in our diet, that should be rich of vitamins, proteins and mineral. So there may be a question in our mind, why shouldn't I am talking about carbohydrate and fat? So whatever method we are following to prepare the food, that itself containing some fats and oils, and this food also food which are included in beauty diet, that having some amount of carbohydrate, so no need to add extra carbohydrate and fat, which is the major cause for our weight gain. So vitamins and minerals especially we are getting from fresh fruits and vegetable. Before that we have to understand the method of preparation and pre-preparation. Especially we are following 4 types of preparation for beauty diet, that is boiling, steaming, poaching and steaming. This can help to protect the nutritive value of the food before and after, and we need vitamins and minerals in sufficient amount in our beauty diet. So fresh fruits and vegetables, especially vegetables like green leafy vegetables, like mustard leaves, drumstick leaves, amaranth leaf, colocasia leaf, this can be added in sufficient amount in your diet. And fresh vegetables like cauliflower, lady's finger, brinjal, parvel should be added in your diet. That should be in a fresh form only, because it is having sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals. If you are going for milk and milk product, avoid all the rich in carbohydrate milk product. The pasteurized milk is very good for our skin, hair and body. That is good sources for protein and some amount of minerals. And you can avoid few fruits like ripe banana, ripe mango, lychee, because it is high calorie fruits. Instead of ripe banana you can go for raw banana, which is a good source of iron and low in calorie. And low calorie fruits like guava, papaya, watermelon should be added in your diet. And avoid jam, jelly, pastries, butter and all type of bakery product, because it's containing rich amount of sugar and fat. Butter, which is not good for your health, especially in beauty diet. There may be chances of put on of weight. Then the next important point is that intake of water. You should take 10 to 12 glasses of water throughout the day. Take this 10 to 12 glasses of water in a balanced amount. If you have the tendency to take much amount of food at a time, then before going to any meal, that is 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, take 1 glasses of water. That will help you to get the satisfaction. And do not forget to go for regular exercise. It is very much important to maintain your calorie and to shape up your body and to maintain the vital statistics. You can go for yoga, pranayama and meditation is very much necessary. That is a very good diet for your mind. If you don't know about all these techniques, then you can go for walk, cycling, skipping and any other exercise or practices. Give yourself 20 to 30 minutes to keep your body fit and healthy. Regular exercise is very much necessary. After that, one more important point in beauty diet, that you have to divide your whole day meal into 6 meals. Check something every 3 hours And remember, your breakfast should be heavy, lunch should be lighter than breakfast, and dinner should be completely light. So this is all about beauty diet. I hope it will be helpful for you. Follow this, and if yet you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, go through my videos. If you like it, share it, give your comments and suggestions. I'll come to you again with few more tips. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. Bye bye.